Hey all, Rusty RVerTV. Good morning. I'm heading up to Havasu. Today is Sunday, April 28th. Yay! I'm here at the intersection. This is Highway 72 and 95. Gonna make a left. Gonna head up in here to Parker. As soon as I get up in town, I shall return. Here we are, we're going into Parker. I was asked a few questions about what's there to do when it's so hot around Quartzsite in the whole desert area. It doesn't have to be Quartzsite, Parker. Anyway, I've done this for years here, and I'll show you where there's a couple of neat places to go and you can kind of cool off and enjoy your day. Make it right here on Riverside. This is still Arizona 95. This would be heading like up towards Havasu. The busy little town, good little town. Walmart and Safeway and everything is right up here. We're going to go up to the Bluewater Casino. That'll be the first stop. And they definitely got some places to cool off if you want. Yeah, a few trailers up there, not too many boondockers left. This Bluewater Casino, I mean, it's active. It's the main attraction for this whole area. Well, let's make a left and head on down. Okay, this is the parking lot. Looks like they got a boating thing going on, so I can't drive down. They got a day use area, huge. It's got pavilions, picnic tables. I don't know what they charge. I think it's like $5 a day. Right there on the right, you go down that little, where that golf cart is. You drive down there when they don't have an event. And you can picnic all day. You're right on the water. You go swimming. If you got a jet ski or boat, you can beach it there. It's really a cool place. Here they have an air-conditioned movie theater. Yay! Check it out. It's open year-round, air-conditioned. I know a lot of people that come up here and watch the latest movies. You can spend the day. You can also go in the casino if you're into gambling. I'm not. But everything is air conditioned and you can stay cool on a hot day at Bluewater. Let's keep going. Okay, we're going to make a left back here on 95, leaving Bluewater. That was a big boating event there. There's boats everywhere. Got the Colorado River here. I mean, that's a good way to stay cool. And it's busy all summer long. All those kids and boaters come out of California and Vegas, all over the place. Phoenix. This is a bit, especially Havasu, that's even busier in the summer. Switches from RV to boating. But great way to play in the water and stay cool. Alright, we're going to make a left right up here. I believe this is still Riverside that you make a left on. I don't know the street super good here, but anyway, we'll make a left and we're going to follow along the river. And you can get stuff to eat here. There's little restaurants. Look at all the pontoon boats. Boat rental, boat repair. boating, everything. Then there is a ton of condos up here. Park models, mobile homes. I mean, and they are packed in there. This is an entire little community here. Still part of Parker. Some people call it Parker Strip. And then up the road a little bit's Parker Dam. But this is just a cool place. I've driven through here a ton. Once we get up here a little ways, I'll show you too. There's some really good places to stop. There's a public boat ramp right here on the left. You can put your boat in there. It's still early in the morning. It's before 8 in the morning. And check out this drive. I mean, look on the left and the right. There's homes everywhere. A lot of them are rentals. There's timeshares, condos, mobile homes. Extremely popular here. Pretty high-end prices too. You're gonna pay to stay here, but it's beautiful. My goodness, when I get down here, I'm gonna launch a drone. You'll see it from the air. Look at that view there. Then right up here, they got a bunch of storage buildings. They even got a Circle K, little mini mart. You can buy fuel. I bet they sell a bunch of ice. But it's its own little world here. Okay, we're at the end of all the homes. You can keep on going. Right up here, I'll find it here. It's a place I always stop. I used to stop here. I used to bring my dog down here all the time. Here it is. Let's pull in here. I'm going to launch a drone from here. Give you a good look back up river of what it is. This is a pretty low area. This one is called Riverview Day Use Area. Cool. I'll get the drone up. Okay, up we go. Now check out this view. Look at that, huh? There's where we just drove through. There's all the condos. Now, the right of your picture, that's actually California. Look how smooth the water is, no wind. And that's looking back up towards Highway 95. Look how barren it is, and then you get close to the water and it all turns green. Then there's a big RV resort across the river. That's California. We can see right down in the water. You can almost see the bottom. Isn't that pretty? I wouldn't mind staying here year round. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. Mighty Colorado River, all tamed. They dam it up. Parker Dam and then Hoover Dam. Anyway, there is a real good look at where we just drove through. And these day use places, like right here at Riverview, you can go right down to the water. There's more of them. We'll go explore. I'll show you a couple more. Get this thing landed. They even got a little porta potty there, a little restroom. It was a great view. What a pretty, pretty morning here. You can't beat this kind of weather and beauty. We're just going to go about a mile down the road here. And on the left there'll be another, it's a much bigger day use area. So we'll pull in there. Okay, here we are. I'm pretty sure this is all county run. I don't think it's state. I think it's county. But it's open to the public. I think they have a, like a day use fee. I don't know what it is. Look, they got kids area, playground, dog run. I wonder if you can camp here. Let me pull up here. We'll walk down to the water real quick. Okay, there you go. See, they got all them little picnic areas, tables. Right there's a Colorado. You can come down here and put your feet in. It's real shallow here. It was. You can wade right there. Heck, just sit in the water. You want to stay cool? Here you are. And that water is cool. Not bad, huh? Look at the palms growing out of the bank. They're happy. Yeah, I used to bring my dog down here all the time. Oh, look at this guy. Got this radio blasting. My goodness. They call that fun. Alright. Let's get out of here. Alright, we're just going to run down here to the county park. There's RV parks and restaurants and bars. There's a bar right there on the left. Pretty cool. Look at all the storage buildings. I mean, it is huge. Absolutely huge. I'll launch a drone down here. You'll see it from the air. Look at all the salt coming out of the ground, too. Right here on the left is where the swap meet is. LaPaz County swap meet. And on the right there is I think it's called Emerald Bay Golf Course. I'm pretty sure it's Emerald. Then on the left here is the county park, the beginning of it. This area is called Pirates Cove. Oop, I was wrong. Pirates Den. Excuse me. Pirates Den. Pull on in. And check it out. Look at all the RVs. I mean, this just goes on forever. All the way up and you can basically rent a site right on the river. And there's a huge waiting list on that. I've never done it. I've never spent the money. It's pretty big money for me. But I've known people that have. They love it. You can even rent a cabana to sit right on the beach. I've done videos about this place before. But look at the Class A sitting right there overlooking the water. There's his view. And then there's a huge bar and restaurant here. And part of that actually floats on the water, so you can sit and have your beverage right on the water or something to eat. I've never eaten there either. I heard it's good though. Alrighty, but look at the RVs, look at them. I'm gonna go fly the drone because it's early and I can. I'll go back here in the parking lot and launch a drone. Give you a really good look at it from the air. Also, I'm gonna continue on up. This is gonna be a two-part video. After this, we'll call this one good, and then the following video will be the rest of this little trip I'm on here. Okay, let me go up here. I'll go up by those trees and get the drone up in the air. Alright, up we go. Look at that view. There's their boat marina. There's that Pirate's Den restaurant. And look at the RVs. And this goes a ways up there. It's all RVs. Look how far they go up the river. That's all LaPaz County Park. Now check out the golf course. Look how green. Crystal green in the desert. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Right above that there's Arizona 95, and that's the way we came in right there. Pretty, isn't it? And that's looking back down towards Parker. Then that big lot right down below us, that's where they have the LaPaz County Flea Market. They just closed that. That's open seasonal. There you go. There is LaPaz County Park. You want to stay cool, you can come down here to the park, enjoy it. I don't think there's a day use fee here. I have no clue. There might be, but you never know. Hey, the journey continues. Next video, I'm going to go up the river a little bit, and I'll show you a couple more places. They're just absolutely gorgeous. Alright, this is Russ signing off now. Hope everyone has a great day. Don't forget to travel safe. Talk soon. Take care.